Welcome to Review Rumble. The best mini heels is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools you can add to your wellness routine, offering targeted relief and recovery for a variety of muscle and joint discomforts, making it an indispensable companion for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone seeking to alleviate everyday aches and pains with cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design. Number 5. Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream. Introducing Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream. It provides deep moisture that stays with you, even after washing. Formulated with aloe, this cream helps to soothe and repair dry, cracked skin. Experience lasting comfort and relief. Don't let hand washing strip your skin of moisture. Our formula is designed to provide hydration that endures throughout your day. This 3 ounces hand cream is perfect for everyday use. It's gentle on your skin but powerful in its moisturizing capabilities. Trust Gold Bond for your hand care needs. It's the healing touch your hands deserve, offering protection and nourishment. Notice the difference after just 1 application. Your hands will feel softer, smoother, and more hydrated. What we like. This hand cream offers exceptional, long-lasting moisture that withstands frequent hand washing. Its formula is designed to soothe and heal dry, chapped skin effectively. If your hands get dry from constant washing or harsh conditions, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The skin absorbs it immediately and completely. Your skin will drink it up with no residual oiliness and feel amazingly soft. This is the best hand lotion I've found for dry skin and eczema on my hands. If I use this nightly, it lasts all day. It keeps hands feeling soft and hydrated, especially in the colder months when my hands tends to get dry. A little goes a long way, so the tube lasts a while. Number 4. Modatope Women's Kitten Heel Sandals. Step out in style with these elegant open square toe sandals. The modern design offers a sophisticated look for any occasion. Experience all-day comfort with the low kitten heel. It provides just the right amount of lift without sacrificing wearability. The delicate ankle strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit. You can dance the night away with confidence and ease. These shoes are the perfect complement to your favorite dresses. They add a touch of class to any formal or semi-formal outfit. Make a statement at your next party or special event. These heels are designed to turn heads and make you feel fabulous. Discover the perfect blend of fashion and comfort. Elevate your footwear collection with this stunning pair. What we like. These heels feature a stylish open square toe and a secure ankle strap for all-day comfort. The low heel height makes them perfect for extended wear without sacrificing style. If you're looking for a versatile dress shoe that can take you from day to night, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The shoe did not gap or pinch or slide or hurt my feet. So comfortable. I will purchase more colors. I walked and danced all night and the shoe did not gap or pinch or slide or hurt my feet. The kitten heel was comfortable for hours of wear, the ankle strap a nice touch and the neutral color was perfect for my mother of the bride dress. Number 3. Lovee Cosee Women's Bow Knot Heeled Sandals. Introducing our exquisite heeled sandals, featuring a charming bow knot detail. These shoes add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. The pleated open-toe design offers a stylish and breathable fit. It's perfect for showcasing your pedicure on warm days. A delicate ankle strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit throughout the day. You can walk with confidence and ease. Experience the perfect blend of style and comfort with our chunky heels. They provide stability and a fashionable lift. These sandals are the ideal choice for brides on their wedding day or for any special occasion. They bring elegance to your most memorable moments. Discover the perfect combination of design and wearability. Step out in style and comfort with these beautiful heeled sandals. What we like. These sandals boast a stable chunky heel and a charming bow knot accent, adding a touch of elegance. The pleated design and open toe make them a fashionable choice for special occasions. If you're a bride-to-be or attending a wedding and want a blend of comfort and chic style, consider these. What people say. They have a sheen to them and some texture so they will mask any potential dirt fairly well too. The bow knot design is elegant and garnered several compliments throughout the evening. The 3.14-inch heel provided a flattering lift without compromising comfort, allowing me to dance and mingle with ease. Satin is soft and shoe is super comfortable. Heel is about 1.5 inches and easy to walk on. Number 2. Briogeo Don't Despair, Repair. Deep Conditioning Mask. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? It's time to give it the deep conditioning it deserves. Our mask is here to help. Achieve the perfect balance of protein and moisture for healthier looking hair. This formula is designed to restore vitality. Specifically formulated for strands that are dry, damaged, or color treated. It works to bring back strength and shine. Experience the power of deep conditioning. This treatment penetrates to nourish and repair from within. Feel good about your hair care. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can achieve beautiful results ethically. Don't despair, repair. Give your hair a new lease on life with this intensive conditioning mask. It's the ultimate solution for revitalized strands. What we like. This deep conditioning mask provides a crucial balance of protein and moisture to revitalize hair. It's specifically formulated to repair dry, damaged, and color-treated strands. If your hair is feeling brittle, overprocessed, or lacks shine, this mask will bring it back to life. What people say. The mask itself is very rich and nourishing, so I avoid my oily-prone roots and keep it focused on my lengths and ends. It does an amazing job of smoothing and softening my dry, color-treated lengths of hair. My hair is fine, but this doesn't weigh it down at all when I keep it off the scalp. It leaves my hair feeling noticeably stronger, silkier, and more hydrated, with my split ends looking sealed and less frizzy. My hair is the softest and smoothest it's ever been. I have a curl between a 3A and 3B. I've been using this conditioner as part of my weekly wash for a year and a half, and it is incredible how much easier it is to control frizz, define curls, and eventually comb and detangle during the next wash. Super moisturizing and leaves my hair soft and shiny. I have long, thin, fine, damaged hair that's colored and it doesn't get weighed down. Number 1. Bubble Skincare Level Up Gel Moisturizer. Meet the Level Up Gel Moisturizer from Bubble Skincare. It's designed to be your go-to for balanced and hydrated skin. This lightweight gel formula is perfect for on the go. Its travel size makes it easy to take anywhere you need a skin refresh. It effectively balances your skin while providing essential hydration. You'll love how it feels, leaving your skin comfortable and refreshed. Infused with niacinamide and zinc, it works to improve your skin's texture. These key ingredients also help reduce unwanted shine. Specifically formulated for those with oily skin. It helps manage shine and keeps your complexion looking its best. Experience smoother skin and a noticeable reduction in shine. This moisturizer helps you achieve a clearer, more balanced complexion. What we like. This lightweight gel moisturizer is designed to hydrate without leaving a greasy residue, perfect for oily skin types. It contains niacinamide and zinc to help improve texture and reduce shine. If you struggle with excess oil and want a refreshing, balancing moisturizer, this is the one for you. What people say. Lightweight formula that absorbs nicely into my skin. Hydrates my skin without making my T-zone oily. Ergonomic dispenser that gives an appropriate amount of product with the light press of the fingers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.